Hello. Hey, I have a lot of work to do, so please don't disturb me.
A few moments later.
Hey Siri, can you do my homework writing a Java code for a basic calculator?
You do your work, and also please do my work.
Hello guys, welcome to Teja's Buzz. How do you feel if someone else does your work? How cool would that be? Yes, I'm talking about AI generated bots. If you would like to know more about AI bots or assistants, so let's get into today's video. So this video is about an artificial intelligence platform Chat GPT and how it works in the real life. And this has been launched in November 2022. And a lot of discussions have been happening on social media where self-declared influencers have been saying that this platform will replace most of our jobs and this is very robust. And I've been watching their most of the videos too. And I feel like, mm,
I am declaring after testing this software yesterday. Yesterday, actually, I casually tested this software. It was perfectly working.
really? Do you think so? So I went ahead and tested this platform to see if it's really more intelligent than a human. And when I first heard about this platform, it just gave me a recollection of a line.
I'll develop a proper phonetic, linguistic, capable vocal cord for monkeys.
So let's start testing ChatGPT with some real life examples. So I first went ahead and asked, if Manju is half my age when I'm 6 years old, how old is Manju when I'm 50 years old? And the bot has responded with the wrong answer 44 instead of 47. After this basic question, I started asking ChatGPT with some programming questions. And the first programming question was in C program, which gives an output to print hello world. And yes, this time it gave me the correct program. So my next question to the bot was about Java program. So I asked the bot, hey, give me a basic Java program so that I can have a functionality of a calculator. So the response of the bot was, it first started with the importing of the scanner library, defining of the operands, and then started the class. And then it has all the functionalities of a calculator to do addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction. And also at the end, it printed the result of the functionality that was selected. And this time, to make it even more difficult for the bot to understand, I asked for a PLC code so that it can be used on a conveyor project. And you know what? It right away gave me a PLC code where it has a basic functionality for start, stop, emergency stop, and part present. And it also defined its own inputs and gave its own output. And at the end, I also saw some good documentation for the PLC code. Now you have a PLC code which has a basic functionality of a conveyor. And now comes, you want to do the entire project on Python instead of a PLC. So I went ahead and asked the bot, hey, can you convert the entire project to a Python project? So yeah, it responded back everything with Python syntaxes and statements and documentation. At the end of this, you have the conveyor project both on Python as well as a PLC code. Now it's time for us to check the capability of the bot if it's really capable to debug a code. And now I put in the bug in the code and I asked the bot, hey, can you debug this program for me? And it immediately responded to the line where exactly there is an error. And it also said this should be the correct variable that has to be used, and this could lead to this error. As I said, these artificial intelligent bots are reliable to some extent to do some functions, but not completely. Critics argued that AI platforms like this will impact the students as ChatGPT does the homeworks or assignments for the students, like it did for me. So here is another tool to find out if the work is actually done by you or if it's generated by an artificial intelligent bot. Again, do you think this is reliable? I don't think so. So here is the example that I went ahead to find out if the information is artificial intelligent or not. And this tool is called as ZeroGPT. There are many tools which can say if the code has been copied from a web or a publication or some web portal, but it is really very difficult to say if the code has been generated by an artificial intelligent bot or it has been written by the person himself. So what I did was I copied a code that was AI generated and I pasted here in the ZeroGPT portal. In the end, the result was the test has been likely to be AI generated. So if you do like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Tejas Buzz.